In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recolor icons and SVGs consistently in PowerPoint. If you want your slides to look polished and on-brand, the key is to start with the right file type and use PowerPoint's built-in tools the right way. Begin by using SVG icons, not PNG or JPG images. SVGs are vector-based, which means they scale cleanly and let you change colors without losing quality. To bring one in, go to the Insert tab and choose Icons to pick from PowerPoint's library, or choose Pictures and select an SVG file from your computer. Either way, you'll end up with a crisp, editable graphic on your slide. Next, if you need full control over every part of the icon's color, convert the SVG to shapes. Right-click the SVG and choose Convert to Shape. This step breaks the icon into its individual pieces so you can recolor fills and outlines precisely. After converting, the icon may become a grouped set of shapes. That's normal and gives you more flexibility with complex icons. Now select all the parts of the icon. Click the icon and press Ctrl+A to grab everything within the group. If Ctrl+A doesn't select all pieces, ungroup once or twice until you can reach the individual elements. The point is to have all the icon components selected, so any color changes apply uniformly. With everything selected, head to the Graphics Format tab. Choose Graphics Fill to set the main color. Pick your brand color here so every part updates at once. Then go to Graphics Outline and set it to the same color, or choose None if you prefer a clean fill-only look. For thin, line-style icons, using a matching outline works well. For solid icons, turning the outline off often looks cleaner and avoids halos on different backgrounds. To keep everything consistent across your deck, always choose from Theme Colors, instead of typing a custom RGB value. Theme colors are tied to your presentation's color scheme, so if the theme changes later, say your brand accent shifts, all your recolored icons will update automatically. Aim to use the same theme accent for similar icons throughout your slides to reinforce visual consistency. That's it. Use SVGs, convert to shapes when needed, select all parts before coloring, apply fill and outline from graphics format, and stick to theme colors. Follow this workflow, and your icons will stay sharp, consistent, and perfectly on brand across every slide.